Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about dirty screens. So we're showing you on our big screen TV because you can clearly see there's a ton of dust, there's some fingerprints, there's, it's just really dirty. It's got hair on it and things like that because of the static and things that stick to it. So there's a few ways that you can clean it. I like to use this monster screen cleaner. So always look at what you're getting to clean your screens with. This has worked really, really well for us. You can get a bunch of different things on the internet for it as well. The only other thing that people talk about is maybe using distilled water where there's no minerals in it or whatever, but they always say the same thing. Use a microfiber cloth to do it because you do not want to scratch your screen. You don't want to put a bunch of pressure on your screen. You don't want to, if there's greasy fingerprints or something on it, you certainly don't want to rub hard because you're going to leave a mark, and so you don't want to do that. So either use and buy something like this off of Amazon or somewhere else where it's specifically made for cleaning screens. Microfiber cloth, everyone agrees on that. Or you can try distilled water. But we're going to show you how to do this, and basically whenever you do this you want to control how much of this you put on. So you don't want to just spray your screen because you don't want things running down your screen, things like that. So I'm going to spray my microfiber cloth and I'm going to start from the top, and basically you're just going to work your way down and work your way across. So there's a lot of dust that comes with TVs, so I'm gonna just work my way down. And of course it's on a stand right now, so you gotta be real careful with your pressure. And you can see at the top now, I'm just gonna stop once I get the top done here. You can see it's getting nice and clean. There we go. So you can see how much cleaner just that looks, right? So it's getting cleaner. You can see on my cloth, you can get all the dust and grime off of it. And I'm gonna keep working my way down and adding a little bit more cleaner. And as you can see, as it dries, you might have to go over it a few times. You might have some streaks. I don't like streaks in it. But you just wanna have a really nice, consistent, clean microfiber cloth to continue to kind of make your way across your screen. Nice and soft. Doesn't have to be hard. And there's going to be some things, maybe get some fingerprints on it, your kids touch it, something like that. Your instinct is going to be to scrub them. Don't scrub them hard. You're never going to get that out of your scratches out of your screen. You don't want to do that. And this works too for monitors. It works for your gaming systems. So as you can see, I'm just going to go up and down a little bit on it to get some of the stuff off of it. And there's a couple times where I'll have to go over it a few times. But it'll get all the dust and grime off of your screens. Okay, so that's how you clean your big screen TV, your monitors, your gaming systems, things like that. Always use something that is a screen cleaner. Make sure that it is good for you, good reviews, get it on Amazon, whatever. Again, I read that you could use distilled water, but you want to be very careful about making sure you always use a microfiber cloth. That's it. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Super Thanks is always welcome.